Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add circle counter in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is example that, for example, you want to add completed projects as well as students that are enrolled in your programs. And here you can also see this is an example of circle counter. Let's enable Divi Builder. So this is the demo website, and after that make sure that you have installed Divi theme. Then click here plus to add a new module, then search for circle counter. Here you can see this is by default layout, and here you can change the demo content. For example, students enrolled. Then you can add percentage, for example 75, and then you can remove the percentage option. Just you can click here and you can see percentage is removed. After that, if you want to add multiple modules, for example, we can add a new row. Then here we can add 3 columns, and now we can duplicate. Then here we can add in this row, then drag it and add here. And if you want to customize this circle counter, just you can change the style. Go to design tab, then here you can customize the circle color. For example, I can change to this one, and after that here you can see circle background color. Then scroll down for the text properties. For example, we can change title font, weight as well as text color. Also here you can see text size option, then line height, and after that number text. So it has various customization options. Then here we can add border, box shadow and animations, and after that click here 3 dots, then save. So in this way you can use circle counters in Divi WordPress website.